This traffic sign is A. Winding road. B. Slippery when wet. C. Merging traffic.
Correct! It is the winding road sign. What is this road sign? A. Divided highway. B. One-way traffic. C. Two-way traffic. Excellent! It is the two-way traffic sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Slippery when wet. B. Crossroad. C. Yield ahead. Nice work. It is the slippery when wet sign. Guess this road sign. A. No U-turn. B. No left or right turn. C. U-turn.
Good call. It is the no U-turn sign. Which road sign is this? A. Stop. B. No stopping zone. C. Stop ahead. Perfect. It is the stop ahead sign. This road sign is A. Divided highway begins. B. Two-way traffic ahead. C. Divided highway ends. Good observation. It is the divided highway ends sign. What does this sign indicate? A. Merging traffic. B. Narrow bridge. C. Lane ends. Awesome! It is the lane ends sign. What is this traffic sign? A. Yield ahead. B. Railroad crossing. C. T intersection. Well spotted. It is the railroad crossing sign. Name this traffic sign. A. Merging traffic. B. Road narrows. C. Added lane. Nice one. It is the merging traffic sign. Which traffic sign is this? A. Winding road. B. Slow-moving vehicle. C. Crossroad. Correct. It is the slow-moving vehicle sign. What does this flashing yellow light mean? A. Go. B. Proceed with caution. C. Stop. Great choice. It is the proceed with caution sign. What is this road sign? A. Left turn only. B. Left turn or U-turn. C. U-turn only. Nicely done. It is the left turn or U-turn sign. Identify this traffic sign. A. Traffic signal ahead. B. Stop ahead. C. Yield ahead. You are smart. It is the traffic signal ahead sign. Guess this road sign. A. Stop ahead. B. Yield ahead. C. Curve ahead. You are great. It is the yield ahead sign. Which road sign is this? A. Left turn. B. No left turn. C. No U-turn. ' Wonderful! It is the no left turn sign. This road sign is A, end divided highway, B, crossroad, C, divided highway. Correct. It is the crossroad sign. What does this sign indicate? A, divided highway, B, end divided highway, C, two-way traffic. Excellent. It is the divided highway sign. What is this traffic sign? A, slow down, B, wrong way, C, do not enter. Nice work. It is the do not enter sign. What does this solid red light represent? A, stop, B, go, C, proceed with caution. Good call. It is the stop sign. Which traffic sign is this? A, T intersection, B, crossroad, C, winding road. Perfect. It is the T intersection sign. What does this sign signify? A, curve ahead, but any direction allowed. B, turn in the arrow direction only. C, no turns allowed. Good observation. It is the turn in the direction of the arrow only sign. What is this road sign? A, right turn. B, no right turn. C, no U-turn. Awesome. It is the no right turn sign. Identify this traffic sign. A, crossroad. B, winding road. C, curve. Well spotted. It is the curve sign. Guess this road sign. A, stop sign. B, yield sign. C, construction sign. Nice one. It is the construction sign. What does this flashing yellow arrow mean? A, wait for green. B, stop and turn. C, turn with caution. Correct. It is the turn with caution sign. Be aware of your surroundings. Green, ahead of you. Blue, next to you. Yellow, blind spots. Red, behind you. What does this sign indicate? A, railroad crossing. B, pedestrian crossing. C, pedestrians prohibited. Nice work. It is the pedestrian crossing sign. What is this traffic sign? A, you are near a school. B, pedestrian crossing. C, railroad crossings. Excellent. It is the school crossing sign. What is this hand and arm signal? A, left turn. B, right turn. C, slow down or stop. Correct. It is the slow down or stop sign. Which traffic sign is this? A, yield sign. B, stop sign. C, no pedestrian signals. Good call. It is the yield sign. This traffic sign is A, added lane, B, lane ends, C, curve.
Perfect. It is the added lane sign. What does this flashing red light mean? A, stop. B, go. C, yield. Good observation. It is the stop sign. Identify this traffic sign. A, pedestrian push button. B, red yield sign. C, stop sign.
Awesome. It is the stop sign. What is this hand and arm signal? A, stop. B, right turn. C, left turn. Well spotted. It is the right turn sign. Which road sign is this? A, stop and wait. B, cross fast. C, safe to walk.
Nice one. It is the stop and wait sign. What does this red arrow represent? A, turn if clear. B, turn slowly. C, stop and wait.
Correct. It is the stop and wait sign. What does this solid yellow light represent? A, speed up. B, prepare to stop. C, go. Great choice. It is the prepare to stop sign. What does this green arrow mean? A, go. B, stop. C, yield. Nicely done. It is the go sign. What does this signal mean? A, do not start crossing the street. B, you may not cross the street. C, you may cross the street. Nice work. It is the you may cross the street sign. What does this solid green light mean? A, stop fully. B, turn only. C, go if safe. Excellent. It is the go if safe sign. What is this hand and arm signal? A, left turn. B, stop. C, right turn. Correct. It is the left turn sign. What is this road sign? A, wrong way. B, you are near a school. C, proceed with caution. Good call. It is the wrong way sign. Identify this traffic sign. A, no left turn. B, no U-turn. C, no turns. Perfect. It is the no turn sign. Guess this road sign. A, double solid white lines. B, end of lane markings. C, yield line. Good observation. It is the yield line sign. Guess this road sign. A, pedestrian push button. B, don't walk. C, diagonal crossing. Awesome!
It is the diagonal crossing sign. This road sign is A, lane ends, B, directional arrow, C, T intersection.
Well spotted. It is the directional arrow sign. Parking on a hill. Downhill, turn the wheels toward the curb. Uphill, turn the wheels away from the curb. No curb, turn the wheels toward the shoulder of the road.
What is this traffic sign? A, passing is allowed, B, passing is prohibited, C, parking is prohibited. Correct. It is the passing is prohibited sign. What does this green painted curb mean? A, park for a limited time. B, no stopping, standing, or parking. C, stop only long enough. Great choice. It means parking is allowed for a limited time. What does this steady yellow arrow show? A, speed up and turn. B, protected turn ending. C, turn anytime. Nicely done. It is the protected turn ending sign.